So I will tell you some very exciting news that happened earlier this year. First, in March, the items were selected as a nominee for the NSF International Food Safety Innovation Award. So we were very proud to receive that nomination. I lost out to a very qualified gentleman, so I felt incredibly lucky to be included in his company. But they actually personally said, we expect you to apply next year as well, and so maybe I'll get lucky next March to actually win. The other huge, oh please, yes. The biggest seller, the stainless steel so far. Yeah, I've got items that work for fast casual, and so the triangle works very well for fast casual. So that's the one that's going off the shelves right now. Okay, so the other exciting news was that these will be on Top Chef. For them, they had two purposes, and he really saw it because he had been hearing complaints from the art department that, as you can imagine, the judges who are judging, up to 16 for every time that they're going through a competition, they have to change the utensils because they've touched the surface, and so they can't use them again. And so the art department's going crazy, bringing, hundreds and hundreds and washing them behind the scenes. And so it really actually is true for restaurants as well. Like, why wash items that you don't necessarily have to? A lot of times you don't even know if somebody has used, a utensil or not, but what do? You collect it anyway, just out of a sense of cleanliness. This solves that problem. So in a tiny way, it's, a more sustainable practice. You're not washing extra items that you don't need to. So that was exactly why Top Chef brought it on, and also because it looks great on their tables. And so they picked 6 different designs. Happy to tell you after the show which ones they picked. But they will be in Louisville, Kentucky for the next season, which starts in December, so keep an eye out for the Dining Elevated products.
One of the things we're sitting here discussing in the break is how incredibly sustainable this product is. I own a nonprofit that focuses on reducing waste within operations, and as I used to think about an empty table, you wanted to, if you had a 4-top and you had it set for a 4-top and only 3 showed up, you removed that silverware that had never been touched, and then you threw it into the dish room, wasted soap, wasted water, washed dishes over and over again, not to mention unraveled or took the napkin and probably threw it in the linen basket. So as I think about this product from an operator standpoint, I'm getting more and more excited about it. Like, who can I turn on locally to put this into their restaurants?